This is a theme-specific training for Unity sites in responsive theme number 3 in Drupal 7. Other theme-specific trainings can be found on the knowledge base section on support.1h.com under the responsive category. You will find trainings for all of our responsive Unity themes there. This training tutorial today will show you how to manage the front page promo banners, which are these 3 shaded areas that appear over your rotor video on the homepage. Now you'll notice that you have to be first logged in to edit anything. So you'll want to make sure that you're logged in at the bottom of the site. Go ahead in the footer on the right-hand side, go ahead, click that login button. That takes you to a page where you can enter in your username and your password. And once you're logged in, you'll have access to the black admin menu at the top of the screen, including the logout button over here on the right-hand side of the page, just in case you are using a shared computer and you need to log out in between sessions. To get started, now that you are logged into your site, these 3 areas are 3 different content types on your site. This is your front page promo banner left, your front page promo banner middle, and then your front page promo banner right. You'll notice that when you go to try to create a new one of those items, that the content types are not listed here. And that's just because since these areas are programmed to be very specifically formatted to show up in this block, in this region, over the image, we would only prefer that you edit what the current content is in this item instead of adding a new one to replace it. So to get started today, we're going to want to go ahead and click on Content. Clicking on Content will take you to a list of all of the content that you have added to your site so far. From here, you're able to sort by content type. So this is where if you click on the drop down for type, you'll see that you have front page promo banner left, front page promo banner middle, and front page promo banner right listed out for you. So if I'm going to go ahead and choose left, I'm going to apply that filter, and it's going to take away all the rest of the content and only show me my front page promo banner left content. Now you'll see that I only have the ability to edit this item. I don't have the ability to delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and edit. Now this is the What is Unity option over here. So What is Unity is the title that appears right here. And then you'll see that you have some teaser text that shows up as well. There's about 125 characters of teaser text, so please be aware that the first line of text that you put into your front page promo banner, left or middle or right item, is going to really be that teaser text that shows on the home page, something to grab you, so that way you're going to link it to another page. So back in the editing view of our front page promo banner left, you can edit the title. So if you didn't want it to be What is Unity, you could always edit it to be About Us, or you could have it be Get to Know Us, anything like that. And then the URL is just the page name that you would like to link it to. So if you would like to have it link to your history page, or prayer request, you could definitely do that. So if you wanted it to link it to the Our History page, then the only thing that you would want to grab from this page up in the URL is anything after that first / is the page name. So in this case, the Our History page is our-history. So I'm going to go ahead and copy our-history, and then back on my What is Unity page, my promo banner left, I'm going to go ahead and in the URL field, I'm going to paste our-history. Now I can also change the title to be Our History. And in the body, again, like I mentioned, only about 125 characters are going to show up. So if I wanted to switch this out, I could definitely do that. I could add in text from here. I could, add in whatever I needed to. I can treat this as a regular basic page, but please, if you are going to copy and paste, just like on a regular basic page, you'll want to make sure that you're cleaning up any of that content by pasting it into a text edit if you're using a Mac, or into a notepad document if you're using a PC. So that way it's taking off any additional formatting that maybe you can't see that's hidden in the code. We really want to make sure that on the home page that everything appears correctly and that you don't have any surprises. So again, please make sure that you're pasting any content into the body on any page as clean, plain text. So I'm not going to update anything in the body today since I've already updated the URL and the title. Then I'm going to come on down and save. Now that I've updated that information, I can go back to the home page and I can check my work. So our history is updated. If I click on the Our History button, it should take me to the Our History page. Now, if you need to update the title, so if you don't want this to say New to Unity, that is where you would want to submit a support ticket to have our team go ahead and update this title for you. We can make sure that it is Unity specific to your community, so that way you're not stuck with New to Unity, About Us, or just location and service times. We do have the ability to help you adjust those titles whenever you need. Again, it's only a quick support ticket away. And once again, you can click on the Help button to take you to our support site at support.1h.com, where you can submit a ticket, review knowledge-based articles and tutorials for your theme, as well as register your support site account. Now, if I wanted to go back and edit anything in here again, I can come back to Content. And since I'm still sorted from my promo banner left, if I wanted to come back here and edit, then I could change, the title to What is Unity? I could also update the URL again. So maybe if I wanted it to go to the About Us page instead, then I'm going to grab, again, just new-unity, which is the page that links to About Us. And then in the URL, I'm going to go ahead and just paste in new-unity. And again, feel free to update any of the teaser text if you need to. Again, you only have about 125 characters to work with, so please keep that in mind. I can also reset my filter, and I can choose to edit one of the middle items or the right item if I needed to. And of course, if you have any questions about editing or making any adjustments to the homepage view, please go ahead and submit a support ticket. Or if you're in Basecamp, you can always let your Basecamp project management team know that you have questions, and they'll be able to help you out. Again, our support team is there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if you need us.